Hello everyone, welcome back to the practical sessions of Agro 112. Myself Professor Snehal Sonane, Department of Agronomy, Kekewa College of Agriculture, Nasi. And today we will learn about the another temperature recording instrument, that is the minimum thermometer. As its name is the minimum thermometer, that means it is generally used for measuring the lowest temperature that occurs during the last 24 hours or since the last setting. So let's discuss about its part. So here you can see the image of the minimum thermometer. So it is similar to that of maximum thermometer. It is also a glass thermometer. Here this glass part with the bulb is the minimum thermometer, and to avoid the or to protect this thermometer from, that is why it is again placed or it is protected with this wooden body. So first part of the thermometer is the bulb. So each and every thermometer will have the bulb. So this bulb contains this bulb contains alcohol instead of mercury. So in case of minimum thermometer, we are using alcohol. Now why we are using alcohol? Because alcohol's freezing point is minus 130 degrees Celsius as against the mercury, which is only minus 39 degrees Celsius, and that is why we are using alcohol in case of minimum thermometer. Okay, then the next part is the index. So here you can see a blue color of needle like structure. So this part is called as the index of the thermometer. So the why this is provided. So the alcohol in the capillary tube generally expands or contracts whenever there is increase or decrease in a temperature of the surrounding air, and when the temperature decreases, this alcohol which is present in this glass thermometer also get contracted. Okay, now as it gets contracted, the index will also goes on moving along with it towards the bulb due to the force of surface tension. So when there is a temperature decreases, when temperature decreases during the night time, this alcohol will get contracted, which is present in here, and because of that, what happens here, this index is also move along with this contraction of the alcohol, and it will go towards the bulb side. Okay, so it is happened because of the surface tension, and if subsequently during the daytime temperature increases, the alcohol will free slowly and it will pass the index without displacing it. So thus the farthest distance of the index from the bulb is the indication of the minimum temperature of that particular period of time, that is for 24 hours or since the thermometer set for the last 24 hours. Now generally its temperature range is from minus 40 degrees Celsius to plus 50 degrees Celsius. So it is the only thermometer which is placed in single Stevenson screen has the different temperature range as compared to the other ones. So maximum thermometer, maximum thermometer, dry bulb thermometer and wet bulb thermometer will have same temperature range, that is minus 35 to plus 55 degrees Celsius. Whereas for minimum thermometer it is only it is from minus 40 to plus 50 degree Celsius. Okay, then next point is time of observation. So generally at the time of setting the thermometer, bulb is tilted upward, and this is sufficient to cause the index moves slowly down towards the meniscus, or you can also use a bar magnet so as to pull out the index from the particular up to the particular temperature range. So after the setting, as earlier said, in case of maximum thermometer, setting should be done according to the temperature of the dry bulb thermometer. So for minimum thermometer, temperature should show the reading which is equal to that of dry bulb thermometer reading within the temperature range of plus or minus 0.6 degrees Celsius. Whereas for the maximum thermometer, its temperature range should be plus or minus 0.3 degrees Celsius as per the dry bulb thermometer. Generally, observations are recorded at 1400 hours as per the local mean time, or 2 o'clock in the afternoon session as per the local mean time. Then its position in single Stevenson screen. So here again the same image I have already shown you in case of maximum thermometer. So here you can see the minimum thermometer. So its place in single Stevenson screen is horizontally at the lower part. Maximum and minimum both are placed horizontally, but in case of maximum it is placed on the upper side, whereas for minimum thermometer it is placed on the lower part of the single Stevenson scale. And lastly, the principle of working is the similar that of maximum thermometer, but instead of mercury, here we will found the expansion and contraction of alcohol in a capillary bore of the thermometer, and which is occurred due to the change in air temperature, and that can be recorded with the help of index present in the thermometer. So this is all about the today's instrument, that is the minimum thermometer. Hope the information will be helpful for your further studies. Thank you.